One of the double glazed units that we've got has blown, and I decided to give it a go to replace it myself. I hadn't done it before, but it's taken me, I guess, about 3 hours in total, including removing this old one. But I'll just share quickly what I did. As I said there, I can't say I did it in the most efficient way, but there may be a few things along the way that could help you if you come across the same project. And these windows are about 15 years old and are externally glazed. I took a few clips as I took out the old unit and put in a new one. But just talk you through some of the tools I decided to buy, having seen a few other videos, a wide bladed glazing knife. So that gives you quite a wide surface to lever when you're trying to remove the beading. I already had an older putty knife, so I used those two. I had a screwdriver which was useful just to when you needed to prise out the old unit from the frame. I didn't invest in a white nylon hammer. Probably should have done, but I had this old rubber mallet, and I just put which is actually filament tape over the face so that I didn't mark the white plastic too much. And then this is the double-sided tape, which actually I got from the same glazing company where I got the replacement unit, and that doesn't seem particularly strong, but I guess when it's in place, it's strong enough to hold the unit securely. So briefly, the steps that I went through was, first of all, to cut through on the inside, cut through the foam tape that's holding the old double glazed unit in place, and you'll see a couple of seconds of that in the clips. Having done that, then using the glazing knife and the mallet to start to remove the external beading, I found that I had to tap round all of the beading. I think that over time the rubber seal on the inside that faces against the glass probably comes a bit stuck, so you almost need to start to break that. And I can't say I found it which was best to try and lever it out from the middle of the beading or towards one of the edges. I tried both, and sometimes it worked one way and sometimes it worked the other. So I think you probably need to try both. Probably towards the edge, generally, towards one of the corners, seemed to be slightly more successful. And then when you come to put the new unit in and put the beading back, I certainly found then that starting to tap it into place from towards the corner was the best method. Obviously, one of the things you will have to do is to buy the replacement unit. What I decided to do was to take mine out completely so I could measure it, and then I put it back temporarily after ordering the new one. So I knew that I got the size right. One of the things you will need to measure or find out is the thickness of the glass, and then the glazing, or the spacer strip. So mine was actually 4mm glass with a 16mm silver spacing strip. So mine was 24mm total thickness. and I think a lot of smaller window companies will order these for you. So I think it's important to give them those dimensions, and obviously the height and width